How's it going, everybody? My name is Night Mage, and welcome back to the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Today we're going to be playing as Leatherface and doing his max damage build. Now we're going to see how many victims we can kill, and hopefully we get some good footage here. But yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get into the kills. Oh no.
Enemy spotted.
Thank you so much for watching. I had a great time playing as Leatherface. He's just so fun. He's probably one of the best characters in the whole game. And yeah, remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and peace. Have a great day.